Hi, I'm Sandy Hirschlein, Marketing Manager for the Siemens US General Motion Control business. Today, Craig Nelson, Product Marketing Manager, will show how Siemens G and S drives can be connected to the top two industrial protocols, Profinet and EtherNet IP. So now here is Craig Nelson to further elaborate. Craig?
Thanks, Sandy. Today I'm here to show how SINAMICS G and S drives can be connected to the top two industrial Ethernet protocols, Profinet and EtherNet IP. Siemens also offers a complete automation portfolio, many products including HMIs, scale-in switches, and distributed I/O also connect to Ethernet IP, as well as our DC drives. Here we have the industrial Ethernet connectivity wall. On the left side, we can see a drive system on Profinet communicating to a Siemens SIMATIC S7 1500 PLC. And on the right side, we can see an identical drive system on Ethernet IP communicating to an Allen Bradley Logix PLC from Rockwell Automation. These SINAMICS drives are Profinet and Ethernet IP compatible and can be utilized without any extra hardware. Single parameter change in the drive settings allows the SINAMICS G120 and S120 drives to communicate with Profinet as well as Ethernet IP. Typically, our free software start drive is used to provide easy commissioning for SINAMICS drives, including Ethernet IP. The G120 has a user interface IOP, and the S120 has a built-in web server, which can be utilized for commissioning and diagnostics. A key benefit of this solution is the ability to standardize on these products. Flexibility is the key. For global OEMs, they can standardize on the SINAMICS drive platform while offering two automation platforms, including Rockwell and Siemens, in order to continue to meet their customers' specifications. As seen on the right side of this wall, SINAMICS drives can be seamlessly integrated into Rockwell Automation PLCs and HMIs on Ethernet IP. Electronic data sheets, or EDS files, are available to enable users to select SINAMICS drives and Rockwell Automation's Studio 5000 product library. Siemens also provides add-on instructions or pre-developed PLC coding, which is popular with Rockwell Automation programmers, and allows to be able to easily integrate and control SINAMICS drives in their PLC programs. Additionally, application notes, labs, and manuals are available on SIOS for guiding users how to connect SINAMICS drives to PLCs on Ethernet IP. CPEC classes are also a great resource that give hands-on experience on how to connect SINAMICS drives to Rockwell Automation PLCs over Ethernet IP. Finally, migration solutions are also available to replace obsolete AB drives that are on remote I/O and DeviceNet with new SINAMICS drives. We offer a solution using custom-developed gateways specifically for SINAMICS drives. No changes to the PLC5 or SLC code are needed. This is a much simpler option than what Rockwell Automation offers for these drives migrations.
Thank you for the great explanation, Craig. If you would like more information about this topic, please reach out to Craig or visit our website. All the contact information you need is shown on your screen. Thank you again for watching.